How to configure OnPOZ for your country. OnPOZ Collect Cloud allows you to use your country reference frame for the most accurate positioning. There is very few settings to do before you get started. With the Settings menu, you can configure the mapping systems you are using and your country's geoid model to get accurate orthometric height. Let's start with the mapping systems, the projection and datum that apply to your area. You may add it by importing an Esri PRJ file or select Mapping System, where you can search for your mapping system using its name, EPSG code, or by selecting an area on the map. When you select on the map, it is a good idea to zoom closer to your area to get the most relevant list. EPSG and PRJ definitions do not include any datum translation. It assumes that geographic positions, used as input to calculate the projected positions, are in the proper datum. When dealing with GNSS system, all positions are output in WGS84 or in local datum if you use RTK mode on the field. Given GNSS users are mainly using modern datum as opposed to WGS84, OnPOZ implemented the datum correction option for most modern datum. The datum correction switch needs to be active if you want to apply datum correction from WGS84 or ITRF to your local datum. The switch will be available if your mapping system uses a modern datum. If you use RTK corrections, then you are already in the local datum of the base. Therefore, OnPOZ will not apply datum correction to RTK corrected positions. On the field, with OnPOZ Collect, you will need to indicate if you are receiving RTK corrections. If you are always using the same mapping system, you have the option to use as a default before saving the projection. All the mapping system listed will then be available so it can be used for your feature geometry. Now, the geoid models for accurate heights. The geoid model allows to get mean sea level heights, also called orthometric heights. If you are looking for a position with accurate heights, you should select your country's geoid model. Some countries split their geoid table in grids. To quickly find out in what grid you are, you can simply Google it. Select the models that apply to you. All models listed will then be available so it can be used for your feature heights. If you need help to use OnPOZ Collect Cloud, watch our videos or contact us.